In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect headphones in Zoom meeting. Full tutorial. First, connect your headphones to your computer before opening your meeting audio settings. If you're using wired headphones, plug them into the headphone jack. If you have USB headphones, connect the USB cable or adapter to your computer. And if you're using Bluetooth headphones, make sure they're paired with your computer first so Zoom can detect them properly. Once your headphones are connected, open Zoom Workplace on your computer. From there, join or start your Zoom meeting as you normally would. When Zoom asks how you want to connect to the meeting audio, click Join with Computer Audio. This is important because it allows Zoom to use the speaker and microphone options available on your computer, including your headphones. After you're inside the meeting, look for the mute or unmute button on the toolbar. Click the small arrow next to it to open the audio device menu. In the section labeled Select a Speaker, choose your headphones from the list. This makes sure the meeting audio plays through your headphones instead of your computer speakers. Next, under Select a Microphone, choose your headphones as well if they include a built-in microphone. This is especially helpful if you want clearer voice input and less background noise during the meeting. Now test everything before continuing. Click Test Speaker to confirm that you can hear Zoom audio through your headphones. If the test sound plays correctly, your speaker setup is working. Then click Test Microphone to check your mic. Speak into the microphone on your headphones and listen to the playback. If your voice sounds clear, then your microphone is set up correctly too. Once both the speaker and microphone are working the way they should, close the audio settings and continue with your meeting. If you're specifically using Bluetooth headphones and haven't paired them yet, start by turning them on and putting them into pairing mode. Then open your computer's Bluetooth settings, select your headphones from the list of available devices, and complete the pairing process. After that, open Zoom, go to Settings, then Audio, and select your headphones as both the speaker and the microphone. Before joining your meeting, test both devices to make sure everything is working smoothly.